WTRH. There you go, guys. Look, Waiter Holdings soars after Morgan Stanley takes a 10% stake. Waiter Holdings rockets higher after Morgan Stanley discloses a 10.3% stake in the on-demand food ordering and delivery platform. Morgan Stanley beneficially owns 12.13 million shares of Waiter per the 13G filing. Shares of Waiter Holdings are up 45.98% pre-market, and you were wondering why. There you go, guys. And we actually reviewed it because of Friday Guy. Shout out to Friday Guy. To 1.17 versus the 52-week trading range of 0.80 to 4.57. Waiter Holdings was an early pandemic favorite with investors, but the company's sales and profit failed to match expectations. Ladies and gentlemen, Waiter Holdings, we reviewed this morning at 0.80, going up to 1.15 pre-market. And the reason why it actually started to look good for some investors, if you look at the RSI on the weekly, what do we have? We are at the 30 level of the RSI, totally oversold, okay? Totally oversold on the weekly. And you can see the monthly as well, looking for that 30 level of the RSI, which is very, very critical. The daily candles, look at it, are totally oversold again, guys, okay? Lower than the previous oversold area, so great potential there for re-entries. 116 is where we at. We're leaving a gap behind, which we can actually close back down once the market opens, which we're gonna be reviewing. I'm gonna go ahead and do this live for all of you. Waiter Holdings review. And we still got 10 more minutes to go. 10 more minutes to go. But if you wanna go ahead, take the opportunity to like, share, and subscribe. I went ahead and added Back to Basics playlist in the description. If you want to donate for this channel, paypal.me is there as well. The King David one, super stickers, super chats, becoming a member, all of that is supporting the channel and the community to grow bigger, better, and faster. And right now, Waiter Holdings 1.13 with some good news, great range. We can actually go higher. And if you look at the full range from Waiter Holdings Waiter Holdings was, you know, at $15, which is crazy. From where we are pre-market, if we go back to those levels, previous highs, you can see that's about 1,233%. That is a big number, okay? Now I'm able to clean this once again, remove drawings, and show you with the Fibonacci the different levels of price where it can have issues, okay? So let's go ahead and reverse this. First up will be definitely the resistance level that we have already marked up, that we already knew about, but the Fibonacci is showing us that, hey, David, there's a little bit of a problem in this area, 368, 587, okay? We're gonna be reviewing the percentage in a little bit. 0.5, you can see 768. The 0.618 of the Fibonacci critical level, 939. 0.78, $12, about $12, right? 11 something, 1190s. And then we got the higher high at 1510, which is our range, okay? The next thing that I usually do is add trend lines just to see where the break of a trend line will happen. That break of a trend line will definitely indicate us the potential for more upside. What we usually do look for is a resistance, higher lows with some good confirmations. Right now, the best signal for me was that RSI on the daily and the weekly. Those were my initial signs of, hey David, you gotta start going up, you know. That's how it is, and it's starting to go up pre-market, guys. We are at $1.10 for Waiter Holdings. Good news. Hopefully we can push even further to the upside. Looking for potentially going to, I guess, 1510. Hey, don't mind me at all. Oh yeah to you, Friday guy. What do you do? Not sure about this, but if institutions like Morgan Stanley buy a lot of shares, can they loan those shares to short traders? I see the news is good, but overall, could this be loaned to shorts? I may have gotten my hopes up, but unsure. Man! Hey, the thing with gaps is that they can actually be closed as well. But it's totally oversold. It's too low. It's too low. $1.11. Friday guy, what a legendary motherfucker donating to this channel like that, man. Thank you for that, bro. Oh my goodness. What can I do? They can actually do that, but at the same time, my mentality goes to, is it oversold? It's totally oversold. We can actually push higher. The only thing that I'm concerned about is the gap. When we get some gaps, and especially now, hitting the 50 exponential moving average here, you know, pushing back down to close that gap, 27%. So definitely want to watch out for that gap to be closed. So I'm gonna keep myself online until the market gets open and see the first few minutes on how Wader Holdings will do. Because for Wader Holdings to be successful, has to create bullish engulfing candle. I think they need to start, you know, adjusting a little bit. Here we go. One more minute, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, and the market will be open in now. There you go. Wader Holdings, bullish candle on the weekly. Look, do you see how bullish it became on the weekly? Now we get this gap. This gap that we get usually gets to be closed. If we closes above, that daily candle closes above that 110, 111, we're gonna go higher. Look at that. Oh, somebody says, like my comment about IPOs. I don't usually enter IPOs. I wait for the range to happen. Yeah, and the other answer, yeah, investing is very personal, guys. So you gotta invest in things that you like. If you don't invest in things that you like, you're gonna be totally confused, man. That's the first thing. Look at that, Wader Holdings, 112. Let's go! Already paying up. Let's go. 831 right now. What has been, wow, look at Wader Holdings, guys. 114, there you go. Friday guy, beautiful. 54 for Ethereum, going back down a little bit. But the market, Wader Holdings, WTRH. Bam, 124, let's go. Man, let's go. Friday guy, nicely done, bro. Very, very good. 1.24. Very, very nice, bro. MCOA. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Ring the bell so you get notified every time we are online. This one, hey, I'm leaving my positions there. I'm not even touching them. These kind of things don't move in a day. No. 0028. I don't know. We'll see. But thank you for stopping by. Like I said, we do the videos, like I said, a long time ago, that we do them con mucho, mucho amor. And as always, have a beautiful morning.
Hadouken! Swat! Hadouken!